When we old father them used fi come, the Maduban fi see we face. Them eyes full of power and grace. Them talk love in a soft embrace. Weya Dem Deh days when them did say, picnic. We keep on inside, we sight still echo inside me heart today. We never forget to know. Weya Dem Deh days when the Shantivan and Maduban full up of joy and celebration, like how bride prepare for your man. So soul them dress up every day fi go meet Baba with big vibration. Every step me take me see love inside me sister, me brother, I them hide it bow with devotion. And the breeze in a Maduban did whisper, picnic Papa come today. Weya Dem Deh days when Baba we all together, heart overflow with love so true. No matter where we there, spirit fly and reach up too. Today we go see Baba, but time change, season shift. Days them fly yet still me feel that Maduban sweet memory still shine inside me so real. Now me see the world so dim, even the sun look like dark night. Only me shadow there with me, and that become me guiding light. Now me know why them days so precious and bright. Every meeting give me soul one new flight. Now them step, them part, them motion turn into songs of devotion. And the still voice whisper to me, take strength from them times go past. Weya Dem Deh days when Baba and Picnic together send wave of love through every gaze. Even if that face no come again, that memory light still blaze. Weya Dem Deh days, yet my spirit still I say, Baba, long as we live, we never forget your name.